I'm finna put a roof jack, this thing right here. Anyhow, you get the idea. And we're gonna cut 4-inch hole round. I can see it, but I don't expect you guys can see it. We're gonna do it, buddies. This side go to the bottom. And similar to that. Down, in, but you can see it there where you're looking at. That's what we're gonna put in that middle hole there. It comes all the way out to the top. Scoop that up. I think we're gonna be all right. Just glue that sucker in and we're done. Through the bottom, I cut that hole. And it go out. It's gonna go out to, let me see. This is what we're gonna wind up with after I finish plumbing. Right there. That one goes there. That one's there. So I need 13 from the base of here to the base of my outlet. It's 13 inches from here to here. And then another 16 inches and take me out 12 inches to the top. So 13 inches. I'll cut that right quick. Okay, here I got now, one in, going 2 out. I gotta go cut 10 inches. And I tell you what, that was almost luck. Getting it up there to here. Crazy, right? Boom. Let me go cut 10 inches, I'll be right back. Glue the bottom end, then I go up top and seal all that stuff and done deal. Put my tar down and I'll stick this, tack him in and we're good to go, hopefully. Here we are, it's back in there. So that's going down to the furnace exhaust. And that was the old one. But this one, by code, you don't have to be but 12 inches from the rooftop. There we go. So guys, that's it. That's how you learn. That's good. Done deal. Yep, there you have it. Damn. Crazy, right? It is, guys, the end result. All my drain line, plumbing, ductwork, everything. Fluid, everything. She's running. You can hear it running really sweet. Ductwork is done.